What's your favorite car again?
My favorite car is a Lamborghini.
RX-7. Say RX-7.
RX-7.
What's your favorite car?
RX-7.
What else? Supra. What's your favorite car?
Supra.
Oh.
NSX. What's your favorite car? NSX.
NAX.
Yeah, there you go. That's good. And what's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I'm joined today by the Acura NSX and one of the winners of the best cars at Import Expo. Isn't she clean and whatnot? But anyways, it's not about the NSX today, even though damn, she looks so fucking clean. I haven't cleaned her since Import Expo, but you hear that? I'm back at Cheap Mervin's house, Veilside Fortune Build, day 4. So let's see what today entails. All right, so Chief is actually welding the fenders right now from cutting it yesterday. So here he is doing it. Oh, look at that. I've never welded anything, so it's actually gonna be a treat watching them conducted. Alright, so what are you doing again?
Getting my welder set. Prettiest welds, but they will work. What you don't want is like when you turn it on, I don't want to burn through the metal. It'll get so hot it'll just punch holes through the frame, and we don't want that. You know.
That works?
Yeah, they're ugly, but they'll work. They'll get done what we need. They'll do what we need them to do. Because what I'm gonna do,
Just basically pull that up, right?
well, I'm gonna hold them up, and I'm gonna wet. The weld is gonna go here, and then we're gonna take the saw and cut off all the excess.
Got you.
So it's gonna close it up.
Gotcha.
So
And we're gonna smooth it into that after.
yeah, and we'll just smooth it out afterwards. So that's the plan. Okay.
So let me show you what this guy made.
I made a robot.
You wanna see what he made the robots with though? Look at that.
Gears
All gears.
and boats.
Yup, that's pretty cool. You're pretty talented, man.
Thank you.
What's his name? Optimus Prime? Megatron, which one? Oh, Iron, he looks like Iron Man.
I'm thinking of it.
Y'all squad up real quick. Y'all ain't trying to see me and my robot? What's good? Say hi, Brandon. Say what's up to the ladies again.
Oh no.
Come on, man. Come on, be like, yo, let me get your number, girl.
Hello.
Well, he's pure. Pretty cool robot, though. Chief is welding. Haven't really been doing much, but just sitting here and smelling the fumes.
Make sure to comment down below to see what you're gonna name the robot.
Dang, yeah, comment down below. Let me know what the name of this robot should be. I think his name should be Gearhead. Hear that? That banging? Haven't been really doing much. I've just been sitting here looking handsome stuff, you know? Just looking at this car, like from the front. It looks really nice. I wish I can show you guys or share with you guys like how good it looks in person. Like details that they did and put on this car is not too much. It looks really nice. It's not as big as I thought it was gonna be, but in person, oh man, it looks good. I don't think I want to see another Veilside Fortune until this one is completed. So, what color do you guys think I'm gonna paint it? It's gonna be nice. I already have like the color scheme in my mind, so it's not gonna be the traditional black down the middle and whatever color on the outside. It's gonna be something different that you guys haven't seen. But yeah, it's promising. It's gonna look good. All right, so Chief, successfully welded this, and right now we're trying to fill it up with body filler, so it'll get rid of all of the ridges and all of the imperfection. Was that accurate? An accurate description?
That works.
Hell yeah! Okay, Iron Man.
I'm actually like the person from Aliens.
Aliens?
Yes.
You look like the person from Aliens. Oh! I'm joking, man. Don't beat me.
then you have to mill it, but you get the idea.
Yeah.
When I finalize it, all that.
What's body filler made out of?
Fiberglass.
Fiberglass.
This stuff is made out of fiberglass.
Gotcha. Man, that thing smells so good.
And then you got body filler, or what they call Bondo.
Yeah.
And that's like plastic.
So finished finalizing the driver's side rear fender cut. Now we're gonna start with the passenger side. So to show you guys how big the cut is. It's from here all the way down. Nerve-wracking, but doing a good job. Moving at a steady pace. We're not rushing anything. We're taking our time how it should be. All right. Look how messy she is. She looks trashy right now, but trust me, this interior is clean.
First time it was hey dude, cut on my car. I'm like, all right.
You guys can't smell it, but it smells. Ugh, here. He's enjoying that though. Oh man, look how clean that cut is.
Is this
Alright, Chief successfully cut that side of the fender. Now we're back to test fit, man. Hopefully we're gonna fit the car with all of the body panels, you know, in about an hour. Basically do some magic, make it all look nice. So, yeah. So we just perfected the fitment between the door panel and the rear quarter panel.
cars gonna get painted, and then the fenders and everything get painted. Okay.
So I didn't really do that much recording today because we were kind of just like focused on getting the body kit together. We don't really have a timeline to meet. We wanted to take our time, but we just really wanted it to work. But this is what Chief Mervin, had accomplished today. So he basically cut the rear fenders and whatnot, and kind of straightened out the driver's side, and then cleanly cut the passenger side. After all that is said and done, this is what it looks like. Test fitting on the left side is done, and boom, that's it, right there. All the lines are lining up accordingly. Luckily, it's a genuine kit. That's my favorite part. Headlights.
Yeah, there's some stuff we gotta do to the lights to get them in there too.
Yeah. But that thing looks nasty.
Vader.
Man, that looks good. Hey, Chief,
What's
you
up?
got any words to say?
Stay focused, man.
Stay focused.
Just stay focused.
But that's the job that he's doing right now, right there. Resurrected Automotive Customs and Repair.
Oh, I like that.
That thing looks so nice. Oh man, it looks even better in person. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, dude. I was hoping that we would have had the whole kit on there. Like maybe we would have had the bumper sitting there,
Yeah.
but everything, but
That would have been so pretty if we had the bumper on.
the wheel wells ate up time.
Right.
And then we still gotta figure out how we're gonna clean them up.
All right, guys, we're done for tonight. We got the passenger side of the car, good to go. Test fitted and whatnot. Tomorrow we're gonna tackle the right side, and we should be done with test fitting tomorrow and with some of the adjustments and whatnot. And then right after that, we're gonna talk about reinforcement options for the body kit, and then talk about paint and minor adjustments here and there. Hope you guys enjoy this. I'm gonna try to upload daily because this is a lot is going on right now behind the scene that you guys aren't really seeing. It's an easy kit to install, but it's very tedious due to a lot of freaking adjustments and re-drilling of like holes and whatnot, so that way they fit accordingly. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm in NSX right now, and yeah, time to go home. I have a headache again. I don't know why, but yeah, so I can't wait to come back here at Chief Mervin's place tomorrow, work on it, finish it, and then right after that we're gonna do some wiring so that way the headlights can fit accordingly. The car out into the driveway, take a couple pictures, a couple videos, so that way you guys can see it, and then talk about paint. And I'm not gonna reveal the paint job that I'm gonna want to be put on the car. You guys just have to stay tuned and whatnot. But yeah, please subscribe, follow the channel, do whatever you want with it, share, like, dislike. So yeah, see you later, peace.